Start. The present appeal is directed against the order dated 6/1/2020 passed by the learned single judge dismissing an application filed by the appellant which, though was styled to be one moved under Order 6, Rule 16 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, hereinafter referred to as the CPC, but in fact was one under Order 12, Rule 6 of the CPC. Stop. The respondent number 1 has filed a civil suit in the original side of this court, registered as CS number 1834/2014, praying inter alia for partition of 22 properties as mentioned in the plaint. Stop. Shri Jitendra Singh Kamboj, father of the plaintiff, had 6 sons and 3 daughters. Stop. To understand the factual matrix, it is necessary to peruse the genealogy. Stop. Para. It has been averred in the plaint that Shri Jitendra Singh Kamboj had set up a business concern in the name of Messrs. Souvenir House with his 4 sons. The plaintiff, defendant numbers 1 and 2, and Narendra Kumar Kamboj. Stop. Defendant numbers 3 and 4 had initially joined the business, but later they had left the business. Stop. Resultantly, the business was being carried on by defendant number 1 and defendant number 2, the plaintiff, respondent number 1 herein, and Shri Narendra Kumar Kamboj, who had passed away before the court suit was instituted. Stop. Para. It has been averred by the respondent number 1 oblique plaintiff that out of the profits of the aforesaid business, defendant number 1 had started a partnership business with one Shri Lalji Kapoor in the name of Maharaja Art Palace, and the understanding amongst the brothers was that the business of Maharaja Art Palace was also a joint family business up to 50% of the share, along with the business of Souvenir House. Stop. In or around the year 1975, Maharaja Art Palace was dissolved and the respondent number 2 oblique defendant number 1 separated from Shri Lalji Kapoor. Stop. On dissolution of the firm, shop number 19C, Red Fort, Delhi, which had been allotted to the defendant number 1, was made a part of the joint family. Stop. After the dissolution of Maharaja Art Palace, the respondent number 2 started another partnership firm in the name of Messrs. Virendra Art Palace. Stop. It is stated that apart from Maharaja Art Palace, several businesses were started. Stop. The plaintiff, along with the 3 brothers and the wife of defendant number 1, were partners in the firms. Stop. It has also been stated by the plaintiff that the ratio of profit sharing was different. Stop.